Did you know that one man survived alone in Antarctica for a month by eating raw dog meat and crawling on hands and knees? In 1912, Douglas Mawson led an expedition across the frozen wasteland of Antarctica, but everything went horribly wrong. First, his teammate Belgrave Ninnis fell into a deep crack in the ice. He took most of their food and supplies with him into the darkness below. Then, his other teammate Xavier Mertz got sick and died after eating poisonous dog liver. Now Mawson was completely alone. He had to walk 100 miles back to safety across the most dangerous place on Earth. For weeks, he fell through ice cracks over and over. The skin on his feet peeled off like old paint. He ate his sled dogs raw to stay alive. Hunger made him see things that were not there. By the end, he was so weak he had to crawl on his belly through the snow. When he finally reached his base camp, he watched his rescue ship sail away without him. But somehow, this incredible man survived.